Green tea weight loss plan. Green tea is an inexpensive weight loss aid, which is why several people are getting attracted to it. It can be easily implemented into any weight loss diet plan. You can drink green tea in the same way you drink any other tea. Don't add any sweetener or milk. Purchase a green tea extract if the taste does not appeal to you. How does it work? Studies have revealed that green tea cuts down body weight by stimulating the body's thermogenesis process, by means of which energy is used up and fat is oxidized. Many plant-based components have the same effect on the human body. There are two ways toward weight loss: eating less or taking in fewer calories and using up energy, or burning more calories. Green tea functions by using up energy, up to 4%. Scientists have attributed this to the high levels of catechin available in this tea. What are its benefits? Green tea is special because it does not raise the heart rate, and for this reason, it is safer than most weight loss pills, such as ephedrine, which also works by the same procedure. In addition, green tea comprises a number of antioxidants that are very good for your health, because they not only strengthen your immune system but also protect your body against diseases. Who can take it? Most overweight people are at a risk of developing high blood pressure or coronary disorders. More often than not, they already have these health problems. Unlike ephedrine, green tea is the best for such people because it does not cause any strain on the heart. They can slowly raise the intensity of their exercise regime without worrying about the effects of it on their heart. How can you use it? Green tea comprises caffeine, so refrain from drinking coffee or any other form of tea if you are taking green tea. Don't take decaffeinated green tea. The chemical processes used to decaffeinate the green tea also destroys its other potentials. Taking green tea does not mean that you can eat anything and as much as you like. If you eat more, you will gain as many calories as the tea burns, which may not result in any weight loss. Sticking to your present calorie intake along with the green tea intake should help you lose weight slowly and steadily. As a bonus, you will gain extra energy too. You can lose weight faster if you take in fewer calories and exercise more. Green tea is, therefore, simple and inexpensive. As a weight loss aid, it can be included into any weight loss program. If you are looking for long-term weight loss, remember to take green tea. How to make your child eat healthy. The modern world, with its innumerable fast food joints, can really wreck a child's health and well-being. Due to the growing popularity of fast foods, parents find it very difficult to inculcate healthy eating habits in a child. Foods that are cheap and easily prepared are usually not good for health. In spite of this obvious fact, a child, when given a choice between fast food and healthy food, will invariably choose fast food. Getting a child to enjoy healthy food is next to impossible, but there is no harm trying. You will have to use your creative powers to the maximum, because it is not really that easy to make a child eat healthy food. You could try some of these ways to make your child eat healthy food. Use fruits and vegetables to make your child's favorite dishes. You might not be successful in making your children understand the importance of eating fresh fruits and vegetables. But they will surely appreciate you if you make muffins out of apples or bananas, or put a generous dose of spinach on their favorite pizza. Rename fruits and vegetables. Children love it when you give funny names to usual fruits and vegetables. For instance, you could call broccoli trees. Renaming fruits and vegetables thus make them more interesting to eat. Children enjoy eating food that has unusual names. Experiment with food. Modify recipes so that you come out with exciting dishes. For instance, you could top broccoli with ranch dressing and celery with peanut butter. Vegetables can be combined in any number of ways to make them taste great. You can even permit your children to select a topping for a vegetable of his or her choice, even if you don't really appreciate your child's taste. Create funny designs. Children enjoy food that looks attractive. Make your dishes look as exciting as possible. Make humorous designs on your plate, or pile them up in such a way that they look like animals or human beings. While some people don't like playing with food in this manner, it sometimes helps to make the child eat healthy. You have just looked at a few ways of making healthy food interesting for your child. Children normally don't like food that is good for their health. But, if you can make healthy foods look and sound as attractive as fast foods, there is every chance that your child will learn to eat and appreciate fruits and vegetables throughout his or her life. 15 Keys to Rapid Weight Loss. Who doesn't want to shed pounds as rapidly as possible? Here are 15 secrets to losing at least 10 unwanted pounds quickly and easily. You do not have to torture yourself with impossible diets. Watch what you eat, stock your refrigerator with fresh healthy snacks, eat plenty of vegetables, and keep yourself satisfied with fruits. The following simple guidelines will help you lose 10 pounds of excess weight. If you are already following a weight loss plan, they will help you achieve success faster. You can use this flexible and balanced plan, comprising 15 keys, anytime you wish. Make a note of all that you drink and eat. You don't have to calculate calories. Simply write down whatever you take during the day. Just becoming aware of your food habits will help you plan healthier meals. Cut down your use of all fats by half. This means you have to smear only half the usual quantity of butter that you smear on your toast, bread, potatoes, or muffins, half the usual quantity of sauce or mayonnaise on your salads, and half the usual quantity of oil in your frying pan whenever you fry something. Eat sweet dishes only thrice a week. Sweet items include desserts, chocolate, cake, cookies, ice cream, pastries, and so on. Include sources of low-fat protein, such as chicken, beans, low-fat yogurt, fish, cottage cheese, and so on, in your diet. Don't have eggs, red meat, and nuts every day, but only as occasional treats. Eat at least one pure vegetarian and cheese-free meal per week. Create exciting meals out of whole grain, beans, and vegetables in order to reduce fat and increase fiber in your diet. Avoid drinking milk with high fat content. Instead of whole milk, purchase milk with 2% fat. Later you can replace it with milk comprising only 1% fat. Include low-fat yogurt and cheese in your diet. Make sure that you purchase sugar-free yogurt. Take a couple of servings of fruit every day. You can have fruit as snacks or desserts. Buy fruit in its season. Avoid sodas, milky drinks, juices, and alcoholic beverages. Instead, drink plenty of water. Don't drink diet soda because its sweet taste makes you crave for more sugar. Taking a glass of warm water with a little lemon juice can refresh you early in the morning. Take a couple of servings of vegetables at dinner and lunch. If you are hungry, eat more vegetables. Cut down your speed of eating. The body's signal to the brain that you are full is relatively slow, and if you eat too fast, you end up eating more than is necessary for you. Grated carrot is a great snack. One of the strangest facts about carrot is that a single grated carrot is more filling than a single whole carrot. Eat whole grain as much as possible. Fiber-rich food will make you feel full, and it will also help you digest your food better. Chew on food. You will take in more fiber that way. Moreover, chewing food can be very satisfactory. For example, you can eat fruit instead of drinking its juice. Make sure that the soup you prepare has lots in it to chew. Plan your meals well in advance. This means you have planned your shopping well in advance too. Planning in advance prevents you from grabbing anything and eating it whenever you feel hungry. The anything that you grab might turn out to be high-calorie dish. Never watch TV while you eat. According to studies, people eat more when they are watching TV because they are unaware of the quantity that they eat. Don't even enjoy a snack while watching TV. If you follow these simple rules, you will soon turn into a slimmer, healthier version of what you are now. Nutrition for the elderly. Nutrition and healthy eating for the elderly depends upon several factors. The bodies of the elderly have undergone a number of changes. Bones and muscles have given way to fat because of the inactive condition of hormones. Several factors have an effect of the health and well-being of the elderly. Here is some nutritional information that will be of great help to you irrespective of your age. Water. The body's water content decreases as it becomes older, which is reason why the elderly often suffer from dehydration. The elderly should bear this point in mind and regularly drink at least an ounce of water for every 2.2 pounds of body weight. Protein. Protein is essential for the elderly. They need it to maintain a healthy immune system and to prevent muscles from wasting away. At the same time, they do not need that much of energy. Foods such as eggs, chicken, meat, and fish, which are low-fat sources of proteins, are very much essential for the elderly. Carbohydrates and fiber. The entire body obtains its energy from carbohydrates. Bread, pasta, cereals, and other grains are rich in carbohydrates. You can prevent constipation by taking a diet that is rich in water and fiber. Fat. The diet of older people should be low in fat, not fat-free. You can limit your fat intake by including lean meat and low-fat dairy products. As far as possible, do not fry your food in oil. Iron. Iron deficiency is common among elderly people who do not eat much. Such people should eat plenty of breakfast cereal or red meat. Zinc. Elderly bodies find it difficult to assimilate zinc. You should take fish, poultry, and meat in order to satisfy the zinc requirements of your body. Calcium. Most elderly people hardly get enough of calcium. The elderly require at least 1,500 milligrams of calcium per day. Many of the elderly avoid drinking milk out of fear that it might upset their digestive processes. If you are averse to milk, you could use non-fat milk powder instead of milk. You can also obtain the calcium you require from foods such as low-fat cheese, broccoli, and yogurt. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is usually absorbed by an intrinsic factor in the stomach. Many of the elderly suffer from vitamin B12 deficiency because they suffer from atrophic gastritis, a medical condition characterized by inflammation of the walls of the stomach, growth of bacteria, and lack of the intrinsic factor that is responsible for the absorption of this vitamin into the system. The elderly need each of the above nutritive elements to keep themselves in a healthy condition. The elderly should be as active as possible and take a good balanced diet. The elderly body may not be what it once used to be. This does not mean you have a reason to neglect it. You should take enough nutrition to enjoy a long and healthy life.